Making money with ebooks is a great way to earn passive income by selling digital content online. Here's how to get started. Choose a profitable topic. Focus on high-demand niches like self-help, business, personal finance, health, fitness, or fiction. Use tools like Amazon Kindle bestsellers, Google Trends, and Answer the Public to find trending topics. Write or outsource your ebook. Write the book yourself using Google Docs or Scrivener. If you prefer, hire a writer from Fiverr or Upwork to create it for you. Format and design your ebook. Use Canva or Adobe InDesign to create an attractive cover. Convert the ebook into PDF, EPUB, or mobile formats. Sell on multiple platforms. Publish on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. Sell directly from your website or promote on social media and email marketing. Market and scale your sales. Use SEO, Facebook ads, and influencer promotions to drive traffic. Offer bundles, discounts, or affiliate programs to increase sales.